we've mounted the tire, we need to add sealant to make it truly tubeless. To do this, we'll first need to remove the valve core from the valve using the small valve core removal tool. To add the sealant, I'm going to use a graduated syringe, which can be found at most local hardware stores. I'm going to add about 25 milliliters of sealant. Be sure to shake it up so that all the particles are fully mixed into the solution. Now, you see the solution hasn't gone into the tire, but if I squeeze the top of the tire, you see the bubbles, and it sucks it right into the tire. Remove the syringe. Replace the valve core, and hand tighten it with the valve core removal tool. Now we'll pump it back up. Make sure that the tire is still seated. Looks good. Spin it around. Make sure that the sealant is covering all parts of the inside of the tire for a nice airtight seal. And there you go. That's how you install sealant into your TLR Road.